Kasi actual to. You're gonna experience kung paano talaga yung itong service. Okay? And then, you're gonna not really observe, but more on experience and notice kung anong mga ginagawa nila, and then you're gonna put it on your narrative report. Yun lang yun. I-explain ko sa inyo sooner or later yung complete details as long as meron na sa akin ng papel. Yun lang inaantay ko yung papel na lang. Okay, kung paano ang magiging final output nyo. Pero it is your own experience na. Kasi wala man ditong fine dining talaga sa Calapan. So, we're looking at casual or semi-fine dining experience for you. Okay? So, thank you so much once again for participating. I'm gonna dismiss early. Next meeting, Friday. Tapos, hopefully, matapos na natin yung ating discussion. Okay? Para natapos natin, quiz na lang and then preparation for your finals. And with your other subjects, I hope na nakakautayo din na sa mga activities nyo. So, thank you so much for attending and keep safe everyone.